how to get a GPU training cluster running in 15 minutes with SageMaker HyperPod. HyperPod gives you a Slurm managed cluster where AWS handles the node lifecycle. The architecture is relatively simple. A controller node runs the Slurm head, and this is your entry point. Worker nodes have the GPUs, and you can choose whatever you need. An S3 bucket stores your lifecycle scripts, and these bootstrap the nodes on boot. And then everything lives in an Amazon VPC with a security group. The workflow to run the training is: first, you build a Docker container with your framework. Second, you convert it to a squashed file with Enroot. Third, you submit a Slurm batch job. And then fourth, torch run distributes across your GPUs. The beauty of this design is if a node fails, HyperPod auto replaces it and your Slurm jobs keep running. Follow for more brain bites.